ICRA, an autonomous council established in 2014, and ever since, ICRA is aspiring to build an ecosystem that connects the corporate, industries, academic institutions, and individuals to grow competence with expertise in the field of current and future technologies, so as to get established with new concepts to be phenomenal among all. The front runner of the robotics and automation sector, ICRA has laid the foundation for creation of an industry that is future ready with technologies, an industry that drives innovation by promoting startup culture, bridging the gap between industry and academia, partnering with world technology leaders to embrace best practices, building a robust talent pipeline by enhancing skill development, invest in building tech infra in education institutions, engaging youth to build interest in technologies, showcasing corporate and individuals' accomplishments. To strengthen supplementary skill development, ICRA focuses on fostering private sector-led efforts that include both non-profit and for-profit initiatives with the goal of building models that are scalable. Also, as a representative organ of tech sector, ICRA has aligned itself to the mission and vision of the Indian government. It has equipped itself to meet the aspiration of the corporate in the new world of business. The industry-government partnership allow us to act as a catalyst. ICRA is focused on building the architecture integral to the development of the automation sector through policy advocacy and help in setting up the strategic direction for the sector to unleash its potential and dominate newer frontiers. ICRA is committed to transform India by transforming tech businesses with an objective of strengthening India's position on the world map. ICRA unleashing India's growth story and fueling a paradigm shift towards building a future-ready India.